The Wild Bird is one of Sweden's most iconic custom cars, built from a 1959 Ford Thunderbird by Gamen Sandberg of Yankee Customs in Älvsjö, Stockholm. After completing his first custom Thunderbird, the Surfing Bird, Bo began a more radical project in 1965. Starting with a Thunderbird coupe, he cut off the roof, saving and chopping the section above the rear window. He then flipped and welded a second trunk lid over the rear seats. The original taillight housings from the flipped lid were ingeniously repurposed to hold headrests. Fiberglass GT chairs were lowered and set further back, and a flying console was added between the seats. The dashboard components were chromed, and a 13-inch Covico steering wheel was installed for better driver clearance. The rearview mirror was mounted between dual plexiglass windshields. The front end was reworked with large air intakes, while taillights were relocated to the hood's air scoops. Directional lights were added to the modified front fenders. Completed in 1966, the first version of the Wild Bird debuted in Start and Speed No. 2, 1966. It was painted silver flake over white with bright red and royal blue stripes, which extended onto the seats and floor. The build featured Rader wheels, a full-width taillight, and produced around 300 horsepower. That same year, it appeared in Teknikens World, hailed as Sweden's wildest Thunderbird. Sandberg invested 2 months and 25,000 Swedish kroner into the project. In 1968, a modified version called the DJ's GTA appeared at the Hot Rod Show, and Bo toured it in England. Eventually, the car was sold to Kjell Pettersson and later to Torgny Theodorsson, who began restoring it in the late 1980s. By then, it was in poor condition. Wheels magazine covered the restoration in 2007. In 2020, the Wild Bird returned to the Sandberg family when Sven and Joakim Sandberg, Bo's relatives, acquired it. They continued the restoration with the goal of replicating the original 1966 show version. The car was incomplete, but a correct 352 FE engine was found and fitted with a period Edelbrock triple-carb manifold, tuned by Ford expert Inge Edelbrock. Sven handled body and mechanical work, while Joakim sourced rare vintage parts like original Rader wheels with spinners. In March 2024, after years of meticulous work, the Wild Bird was completed and debuted at the Custom Motor Show in Älvsjö, Sweden. It was met with acclaim for its faithful recreation and stood as a tribute to Bo Sandberg's vision and the golden era of custom cars. The event re-established the Wild Bird's legacy as a pioneering example of Scandinavian custom automotive art.